What firewall settings are required for regulatory compliance? Imagine your network as a busy city and firewalls as the security gates controlling who comes in and goes out. To keep everything safe and meet rules, you need the right gate settings. Let's explore what those settings are and how they help you stay compliant. First, you want to restrict all traffic that isn't explicitly allowed. This means blocking all inbound and outbound traffic by default. Only open the doors for traffic that has a clear reason to pass through. This approach is called the principle of least privilege and is key for compliance. Next, use access control lists to specify exactly who or what can access your network. These lists limit access to authorized users, devices, and applications. For example, only allow payment processing systems to communicate with the payment card environment. This helps protect sensitive data like credit card numbers or health records. Network segmentation is also important. Use firewalls to split your network into different zones. For instance, keep your payment card data separate from other parts of your network. You can create demilitarized zones to add extra layers of security, making it harder for intruders to reach critical systems. Secure protocols are a must. Firewalls should only permit encrypted communication methods like transport layer security or secure shell. This ensures that data in transit remains private and protected from eavesdropping. Logging and monitoring are essential for compliance. Firewalls need to record all activity, especially any unauthorized access attempts. These logs should be reviewed regularly and stored securely to support audits and investigations. Regularly reviewing and updating firewall rules is another key step. As new threats emerge, your firewall settings should evolve. Conduct audits to verify that your rules still meet regulatory standards and address any vulnerabilities. Different regulations have specific firewall requirements. For example, payment card industry data security standard demands blocking unapproved traffic between internal and external networks and segmenting the payment environment. Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act rules requiring limiting access to protected health information and encrypting data transmissions. General Data Protection Regulation emphasizes preventing unauthorized access to personal data and maintaining confidentiality. International standards like ISO 27001 call for ongoing risk assessments and incident response plans based on firewall alerts. Operating systems like Windows, Linux, and macOS have built-in tools to help configure these rules. Windows Defender Firewall, Linux's IP table or unuff hubs, and macOS's PUF all support setting restrictions, logging, and monitoring. The specific capabilities may differ, but the core principles stay the same. To stay compliant, organizations should identify which regulations apply to their industry and data. Use the OS-specific firewall tools to set up rules that restrict traffic, control access, and monitor activity. Regularly review and update these rules, and document all changes for audits. By following these steps, you not only protect your network but also make sure you meet the legal requirements for your industry. Proper firewall configuration is a vital part of managing your operating system's security and performance while keeping sensitive data safe.